Good morning all of you. Today we are going to start the next chapter, linear equations in one variable. So before beginning the chapter, you should have a thorough knowledge about some of the basic terms like equation, algebraic equation, linear equation, solving the equation. That means what is meant by solving an equation, then what is meant by solution of an equation. So these are the basic terms that you should understand before studying this chapter. First of all, let us understand what is an equation. We know mathematics is full of equations, right? Then what is an equation? An equation in mathematics is a mathematical expression which involves an equal to sign. Here you can see an example. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. This is a mathematical statement, right? Since it involves numbers. And in this expression, we have an equal to sign. So, we can call it as an equation since it contains an equal to sign. Now, an equation will have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. And here, what is given in the left hand side? In the left hand side we have 4 plus 4. And what is 4 plus 4? 8. And what is in the right hand side? Yes, in the right hand side we have 8. So in the left hand side and right hand side both are same, right? So an equation is a statement which says that two expressions are equal. Now let's see what is meant by an algebraic equation. An equation, we know what is an equation. If an equation involves a variable, we will call that equation an algebraic equation. Look at the example here. This is an equation since it contains an equal to sign, and in the left hand side we have a variable x. So if an equation contains a variable, we will call that equation as an algebraic equation. So here 2x plus 5 is equal to 35 is an algebraic equation. Now the next term is linear equation. What is meant by linear equation? In the last chapter we studied how to find out the degree of an algebraic equation. Do you remember that? Okay, so if the degree of an algebraic equation is 1, then we will call that algebraic equation a linear equation. Take the same example. 2x plus 5 is equal to 35. This is an algebraic equation. And what is the degree of this equation? We know that degree is the highest power of the variable. So here we have only one variable and the power of x is 1. So the degree of this equation is 1. Then such equation with degree 1 are called a linear equation. So this is an example of a linear equation. Consider the same linear equation. 2x plus 5 is equal to 35. Here we have a variable, right? The variable is x. Actually the variable we used to denote an unknown quantity. We don't know what is the exact value of x here in this equation, but we can find out the value of x from this equation. Then that process, the process of finding the value of the variable in an equation is called, and that process we will call it as solving of an algebraic expression or solving a linear equation. Next, if we found out the value of this variable x, then that value of this variable is called the solution of this algebraic expression or solution of the equation. In this class, we are going to learn how to solve a linear equation. Have you seen this instrument somewhere? This is an instrument that people had been used in olden days to measure quantities in markets. And here in this machine, you can see that there are two pans on both the sides. And to balance this instrument, we need to keep quantities of same weight on both the bands. Here in this picture you can see that more weight is on the right pan and less weight is on the left pan. So that is why the instrument is little tilted towards the right side. So if we are keeping quantities of same weight on both the pan, it will get balanced. And that gives the basic rules for solving linear equations. Rule number 1. Both sides of an equation remain equal if the same number is added to both sides. Rule number 2. Both sides of an equation remain equal if the same number is subtracted from both sides. And rule number 3. Both sides of an equation remain equal if both sides are multiplied by the same number. And rule number 4. Both sides of an equation remain equal if both sides are divided by the same number. So using these rules, let us try to solve this linear equation. We know that solving a linear equation means finding out the value of the variable. So here the variable is x and we need to find out the value of this variable. To solve this linear equation, what we are going to do is we are going to remove all the numbers other than this variable from the left hand side of this equation. Now first let us remove 2 from this left hand side. Now, so how can we remove this 2 from this equation? We know that subtracting a same number from both the side of an equation will not make any change in an equation. So we can subtract 2 from both the side of this equation. See, here the equation was 3x plus 2 is equal to 6, and what I did is I subtracted the same number from both the side of this equation. You can see that I am subtracted 2 from the left hand side and I also subtracted 2 from the right hand side. Let us see what will happen. Now 3x, then what is 2 minus 2? 2 minus 2 is 0. So in the left hand side we have only 3x. Then on the right hand side we have 6 minus 2 is 4. So we removed or we eliminated 2. The number 2 that is being added to 3x. So we reduced the equation to 3x is equal to 4. Now there is one more number that is left to eliminated here in the left hand side, that is 3, and 3 is being multiplied with the variable x. Then how can we remove this 3 from the left hand side? Now I am going to divide both the side of this equation by the number 3. Let's see what will happen. What is 3 by 3? 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we have only x in the left hand side, and that is equal to 4 by 3. And we cannot divide the number 4 by 3. So we got the value of the variable x as 4 by 3. So this is how we solve a linear equation using the rules.